Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our January new products video. Our first new product is this Glove Box Door Hinge. This fits the 1980 to 86 Ford Bronco and 80 to 86 F-Series pickup. We had it produced just off the original, made here in the United States, actually made here in Michigan. Heavy duty steel, got a nice black finish to it, just like the original. It's got all the holes. So if you got to change this, it's pretty simple. It's 6 screws, but these go bad. Brand new for the 80 to 86 Bronco and the 80 to 86 F-Series pickup. It's this OEM styled glove box door hinge. Our next new product's from Carpenter Industries. This is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. This is the emergency brake cable, speedo cable clamp that goes under the truck on the floor brace, under your feet on the driver's side. Carpenter's reproduced this, coated steel, comes with a mounting bolt, brand new again. This holds the emergency brake cable and the speedo cable in place under your truck on that driver's floor brace under your feet for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product's from Carpenter Industries. It's this dome light lens. This fits the 95, 96 Ford Bronco and 95 to 97 F-Series pickup. Carpenter's reproduced this. It's a beautiful piece. Nice construction, exact detail to the original. These are easy to put in. Pop them in, pop it out. Brand new from Carpenter Industries. This fits the 95 to 97 F-Series pickup and 95, 96 Ford Bronco. It's this dome light lens. And our next new product's the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. Dennis Carpenter has reproduced this hood release latch. Beautiful stainless steel construction, really nice piece. Comes with the mounting hardware, which is also stainless. Most trucks have, we also sell a painted one, but if you want the truck to really shine, this is the way to go. Again, heavy duty stainless steel construction, 66 to 77 Ford Bronco hood release latch. And for our January web truck of the month, we have Sam Holland's beautiful light blue 75 Bronco. The truck is spectacular. I just want to thank everybody for their support and hope everybody has a great new year.
I purchased it in Montana, 1982. I believe it's a 1975. And I bought it from a dealership, a used car dealership up in Chinook, Montana, and brought it home and just drove it as not a daily driver, but my kids drove it in high school, and it's stayed all original until 2 years ago. I sent it off to a restorer in Indiana, Wilburn's in Indiana, did the restoration on it. The first time we brought it out was in Tennessee, Bronco driver celebrate Supercell 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
And we went to Tennessee, Colorado, Wisconsin last year, and then we went to Tennessee this year.
Very nice.
And we were here last year with it also. It's got a 302 Jasper engine in it. It had a 302 original. It's just a short block Jasper engine. Drivetrain is all original. Dana's original C4 transmission, and we did, custom interior as you see on it. Custom interior, put a sunroof in it, and just air conditioning, just to make it something that's comfortable to drive. Last year we came over here. First time we'd been to Silver Lake. We have some friends that live in Holland. We drove from Wisconsin, went on a Badger ferry, came across, drove here, and went out and played the dunes and went back with it. We were out on the dunes with it this morning. So. And this is just a custom build the way it was. I mean, there's a lot of different ways to do them, but for our purpose, I wouldn't do anything different. I really wouldn't.